Hello guys, you shouldn't be watching this video. It's wasting for your time. It's a waste for your time.
It's a waste of your time.
For or off? I don't know. We are learning English. We are new.
He's so brand new.
I'm Indians from Indiana.
There is a plane.
I'm here with my brother. We are playing Robo Rumble. And this guy is someone you don't know.
We're going to prank him so hard today.
Yes, keep watching and you won't see anything special.
While we're acting like we're playing normally,
Yeah.
something crazy will happen. You'll see it. We'll start hitting him. So fun. Just look at this.
Finally, guys, I have my immortal totem.
It's not a totem.
I don't care. It looks like a totem for me.
I'll change that joke. We will stand still for like 10 seconds till he becomes crazy.
If anybody by mistake passing by, I don't know, watching our video, please leave for your mental health.
This video is crazy cool.
If you are crazy, you are watching us. Just keep spinning, right and left. Time is overpowered here.
Who's your mama?
Nice baby.
Yes, very interesting and special. You know, if you keep watching, you will see us playing another boring modes.
You can subscribe.
I don't recommend it. But you can consider donating. You know, you won't find any place to donate at, but donate to someone's channel. Someone, you got it.
This is my scrapyard.
He's trying to speak English.
I'm just trying to spell the word right.
He's an idiot. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're doing a $10,000 gift card to give away.
Oh yeah, we don't even have a credit card, guys.
It's a gift card.
We don't have credit card.
It's a gift card.
I know,
You
I
don't
know.
know what gift card
I
is.
know what it is.
It's so
I
dumb.
mean,
It's
if
so
we don't
dumb.
have credit card, it means we are poor. That's what I meant.
He's so dumb. He don't know what he says.
Top of the scrap.
I will make some cringy music so you can leave. It's not that fun. The goal is 7 minutes. You will see. You will get it.
Impossible, no way.
7 minutes. You will see.
No way. 6 minutes and 50 seconds, probably. That's the highest we'll get right now.
It's so dumb. It's just 10 seconds. It's just so dumb. It's really easy actually to reach this one. But I'm pretty sure you guys are so noobs to reach this point.
Hey, don't harass the audience, please.
That was the worst action of his career. Guys, subscribe.
Oh, I meant. No, nothing. Never mind.
Shout out to Kairos Time. Make sure to check his channel. He's my cousin. He makes some cool Brawl Stars content.
I don't support my brother.
We also know what
he lies a lot.
he knows the super cat. Guys, enjoy.
Not bad.
If you didn't know yet, I'm the bear. El Primo. I'm the El Primo bear. I died again.
Oh, great.
Hashtag.
We are losing.
Hashtag
We didn't
the
even get 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Good.
That's not bad. Hey, 600 and I don't know, 20 tokens. Let's see this grand opening. Nothing. I don't even know how many gems I got.
Oh my god, Leon! Oh my god, you got Leon!
I already have it. Stop.
You got Leon! Guys,
Stop acting.
subscribe if you're
No,
excited
Not bad.
for Leon.
Oh, great.
Tadia is going to get Leon.
Not the best one, but great. Better than nothing. Okay, let's play some Brawl Ball.
Leon. What? I would enter some.
Oh,
No.
she wants to
No,
play
we don't speak Arabic. No.
Robo Rumble. Bye. Let's play Gene.
Genie. Just kidding. It's Gene. Don't read it wrongly. Now you will see. We will prank them. I have the gadget. This is the idea of the video. We are pranking some noobs. I will stand there and they will think that nobody is there, and I will throw them and take the ball and get the goal. Like a boss. Look at that. Oh shit. Oh,
He pranked you.
Oh shit.
What a waste of the skill. That's what happens when you play with your brother.
I couldn't use it because I was holding the ball. He threw his ball at me. One of his balls. Look at this.
He's better than you. Oh, he's stuck.
Oh, no.
Not anymore. Oh yeah, I'm still alive. Not so.
You don't even have a skin.
Not again.
So stupid.
I can't focus.
This guy wants to team. I will team with him.
I can't focus with my brother shouting all the time.
He's teaming. Hashtag stop teaming.
What the?
Look at this idiot.
He's flying around. And he's still alive.
Oh my god. He wasted all of them.
Oh. Our Sprott is stuck down here.
Look at this epic win.
Yeah, seems like an epic lose.
win.
Go.
Look at this goal, look at this. Look at this.
He's not going to make. Oh,
No.
I blame B for this goal.
He's blaming his enemies.
Yes, you get what I mean. I don't know the word actually. And apple.
Everyone is jumping on everyone.
What do you mean?
Don't think I'm talking about anything. Look at this goal. Look at this stupid.
Come on.
Stupid Sprott. He's stupid.
Stop it.
He's stupid, guys.
We lost.
Thank you so much for watching. Anyways, it's 10 minutes. Now we can put 2 ads in this video. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Too much details. Oh, come
Goodbye.
on. No, not. Let's try the gadget once.
Goodbye.
Last one.
Goodbye.
Come on. Play a match.
Good.
Stop it. Stop
Goodbye.
it already. Sorry, my brother is so annoying. You are not forced to watch the video. You can leave whenever you want.
We won't even watch it back. So
Yes.
That's a thing.
Probably I'll be the only watcher. But
Viewer.
That's
Viewer.
yes, viewer.
Look at this. Only boss will do that. Look at this. You can't see it because the recording is with my stupid brother. Look at that. Nobody will do that. Look.
Come on.
Now we can get
come
2
on.
goals. We will get 2 goals at once. You'll see it.
We will lose.
You'll see it. Look at it. Oh, he's smashing me. He's smashing me with his hammer.
My
Hammer.
brother sucks, guys.
Look at that. Look at that epic play.
What a waste for the mortal and the gadget. Oh, our enemy's name in Arabic is the Silent Killer. Al-Qatil what? I forgot it.
Yeah, he know how to spell it correctly. He's just like trying to make it in
Al-Qatil
English.
الصامت.
القاتل الصامت. But he's so
القاتل
stupid.
الصامت.
Now we're going to lose, I think, because my brother is in the team.
Yeah, can't blame me.
Look,
Alright.
I'm stuck. There's a stupid wall here. No, it's in the tank. Look at this. Check this epic play.
At least the wall is doing his job. Oh, gadget are. Come on, I'm not,
Gadget,
not
gadget.
getting any hit.
See what I mean? See what, he's auto aimer.
No, they
down.
can't see I'm not an auto aimer. Great, my mortar did better than my brother.
I think we are not going to win this one, actually.
Yeah, because you.
We have a Frank, we have a Penny.
Oh, I
We
killed
have a
both of
mortar.
them.
Now we get, look at that epic play. Hashtag epic. I can know that he's here, now I can do like that, look at that. Throw him, through him. Oh, no, God.
Yes, my brother
sucks.
sucks.
Look at this.
I made it.
That was the plan, so the Frank can smash the
My
other
skills,
bosses.
you know, my skills are so great.
See what I mean?
At least I did
They'll
something.
think that like they can win this one, but not.
Hey, we could have already won if you didn't do what you did. Oh, we lost.
We lost it, guys. Sorry, my brother doesn't know. how to play.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good goal. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.
Goodbye, guys.
We will see you in the next one. Please subscribe,
Yes.
or I will eat your pancake.
What the
I'll eat
heck?
your pancake.
What the? I don't know this guy.
I
You
will
can't.
eat your pancake.
You can't take him with you. Goodbye, guys.
Thank you for watching. If anyone would watch this shit anyway.
No, no one
Close it.
probably. Not even me.
Turn it off.